Hello family, hey, Glammatootsiehouse here. Listen, I know you guys haven't seen me in the last couple of days, and I've just really had a horrible 3 days, but that's all right, because I'm finna come back even harder to you guys and bringing you more content. But Instagram, I don't know what to say about Instagram. My account, I'm just letting you guys know, my account over at Instagram, Tootsie1017, has been hacked. I haven't had access to my account in 2 days. So all the information I've put over there, someone else has access to it. And so I've been trying to straighten that stuff out. But I'm just letting you guys know. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Look for the next video. I'm finna get ready to make myself up and try to get past this and move on. Toodles.